Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by verifying the physical lock because most blocks are mechanical. Remove the SD or micro SD adapter and hold it up to light. You should see a tiny sliding switch. If the switch is towards the locked icon, slide it the other way. That is the first actionable fix. Once done, reinsert into your adapter or card reader and make sure to seat it fully. This often resolves write protection immediately and avoids software steps. Once the hardware check is complete, move to Disk Utilities to remove software flags. You open Disk Part on Windows, select the disk, then run Attributes Disk Clear Read Only to remove read-only flags. On Mac OS, use Diskutal Unmount Disk, and then Repair Disk or use sudo to clear flags, and on Linux, use HDParm or LSBLK with Read-Write Remount. Make sure to target the correct disk number to avoid data loss. These commands remove lock. Finish by backing up any recoverable files and performing a full format to reset file system flags, because logical corruption can mimic write protection. Choose FAT32 or XFAT for broad device compatibility and select MBR partitioning for older hardware. After formatting, copy a test file to verify write access. If formatting fails or the card reverts to read-only, the controller likely detected hardware failure. In that case, try a secure low-level format tool once more, and otherwise replace the card.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.